Hi, my name is Corin Wiskman. I'm going to show you a few of my favorite ways to use Distress Oxide ink pad.
This oxidizes the ink as well as makes it less viscous. You can do as much or as little as you would like. I'm also taking the same Distress Oxide ink pad and putting it on the back of my acrylic block. So I'm taking pine needles and mowed lawn across the top so that the pine needles blends into the mowed lawn. And I do stamp this twice to get a nice, crisp, thick image. And I'm using black soot for my sub-sentiments. I love the way that this turned out. This only scratches the surface of what Distress Oxides are capable of.
Hi everyone, this is Hiba from My Little Journal, and I'm so excited to be here for Scrapbook.com. One of my favorites is the HOLTZ stamp platform, and the beauty about the platform is you can flip it over and use clear stamps or rubber stamps. I'm going to go ahead and show you why I love this platform. You get a nice crisp image, and you want to double stamp. This is the product for you. So I can double stamp this and get the perfect stamped image. It's beautiful. I really didn't have to do much. I just double stamped it using my platform. There's a travel size and this larger size. I love both. And that mini size, I always keep it on my desk.
Hi there, it's JANA Eubank. Merry Christmas from Scrapbook.com. First up, I want to share with you the We Are Memory Keepers clear stacking paper trays. They have a clear, clean, sleek design, and I'm going to use it to store all of my latest and greatest supplies. Things start to get buried and things start to get lost and I forget what I have. But that's not going to happen any longer because now I have my stacking paper trays.
Hello, I'm Ashley Horton, and I'm so excited to be at Scrapbook.com.
I love how easy it is to use the SIDEKICK. This is great to use if you have some 6x6 paper pads that you want to use. And I'm cutting both pieces at the same time on this. I'm cutting the tag and I also put the number in. So you can do it this way. And so you can see that you can cut these in so many different ways. And so I'm just going to add that and you can see how cute it is all finished up.
Hey everybody, it's Paige Evans and I want to tell you all about. They are nesting dies, so lots of concentric shapes, so many different possibilities. When I saw these large layered banners and tags, immediately thought of creating a mini album. Then the largest tag, and then it's got these little insert pieces to create the holes, and then run it on through the machine, and it comes out a perfect tag. Again, cut it just larger than the metal die, and then run it through the machine once again, and you get a coordinating tag. Again, put the little die, put the paper on top, put the plastic on top, and run it through, and it creates a little hole reinforcer. So here are all my tags. I haven't glued them together or stitched them.
Hi, my name is Wendy Antenucci, and I'm here to share.
So I am putting together my sandwich right now using the Spellbinder die cutting machine. I've actually used washi tape to hold the die where I want it. I wanted to make sure that I had, and then I put the clear platform on it again, and then you roll it through. I cut out multiple little green ones, and when I laid them on my paper that I had out, I realized it really was making quite a neat background.
Hi guys, just stopping by today to share some of the. I'm actually going to be working with some of the exclusive stamp sets.
My name is Tiffany Solorio and I am one of... So I'm going to be talking about the media tool set that goes along with the glass media mat. Just going to show you the scraper tool. I am going to use it to crease or varnish my fold here for my card. I do a lot of mixed media type of projects, so I'm definitely going to have lots of paste, and it is easy to scrape it up, especially if it's a little bit dried on. The ruler, which I'm actually really excited about. The edge ruler would be really good for if you're going to be cutting a little piece.
Hi, I'm Jen Gallacher, and happy holidays from Scrapbook.com. If you're looking to get organized this season, now this particular storage solution is from Storage Studios, and then it can hold either cardstock or pattern paper. I keep mine turned on the side because I keep them in cabinets, and then I can easily pull paper out.
Hi, it's Toth here, and I am super excited to... Some of these products I use day by day, and I will show them to you in this video. Now I am going to make a project with the I Love You This Much designer stamps from. I stamped the cute octopus many times to the sticky notes and fussy cut them. And therefore you can stamp to the same place as many times as you want. The following part is my favorite part, the ink blending. I started the ink blending with daffodil yellow, then I combined it with lantern light, and as you can see I also made a card with cyan colors.